Cruisym 150 dual abs cash price. 103,800 pesos down payment. 0 pesos description. Available colors. Glossy white, glossy blue, matte brown. Special features. USB charging port, anti-theft system, engine kill switch, tubeless tires, electronic fuel injection, anti-lock braking system, front LED rear light, liquid cooled dual rear suspension, headlight switch. Engine type 4-stroke, single cylinder, 2-valve bore and stroke, 57.4 by 57.8, displacement 150 cc, compression ratio 11. 1 fuel system, electronic fuel injection, cooling system, liquid cooled transmission belt, automatic displacement and capacity. LXWXH 1990X730X1115, ground clearance 110 m, fuel capacity 7.5 L, dry weight 130.5 kg, frame type scooter, front suspension telescope fork, rear suspension swing arm, front wheel 2.5x14 190/14, rear wheel 2.5x14 110 8014, front brakes disc brake abs, rear brakes disc brake abs. Performance. Max output 9.2 kilowatts, 8,000 rpm, max torque 12.0 Nm, 6,000 rpm. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Godbless to all heart.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.